Alright, got it all taped off. Waited until it got a little cooler out. Tried to do a time lapse. I might put that in there, but I kept having to close the garage, so it'd probably just be really stupid. Maybe I'll throw it in, what the hell. But got the clear on there. It's definitely darker. Back to the good dark gray. Haven't done the roof yet, just waiting so I can do that without having to worry about ruining the clear coat. But yeah, there it is. We got 2.5 cans left. Put all those on there. So now we're just waiting a couple minutes for it to dry, and then I'm gonna get up on the roof. Alright, so it's been a couple days. Let the clear coat get nice and hard. What I'm doing now is I hit this with steel wool brush. This I hit with like a 320 grit block, and this I haven't even touched yet. So this is what I'm starting with, essentially. Just hit this guy up. This part I haven't touched yet. Just getting it kind of started. What I'm gonna do is I was seeing what the difference was between the block and the sanding pads. And I was using these guys for that little part. But what I'm gonna do is switch over to the steel wool pads here and go over it. I think that'll be a lot quicker, because all I'm trying to do is just get off the big burrs and the heavier chunks first, and then I'm gonna start wet sanding, so which I have soaking here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on that. All right, so just got it all nice and dry sanded. Just super light coat on there. Really just kind of barely hit it up, just until it quit making any kind of, giving me any kind of resistance. Yeah, it's nice and smooth, beautifully smooth. Can't wait to get it done. Okay, so I'm just gonna wash it off and see where that goes, what it looks like after that. Alright, ignoring the little bits of water or whatever, you can see pretty good that I've got the clear coat down really nicely. I'm really happy with how it came out. Just wetting it, doing it even just a quick, very light sanding with 2000 grit. I think it looks absolutely great. I can't wait to polish this out. I can already see there's like 0 to none orange peel on there. Hopefully that's what I'm looking at. It might just be, but it looks like there might be a little here. There's definitely some there. Maybe I'll have to go back over this, double check it, but all in all, really looks really nice, feels really nice, super smooth. Very happy with where I'm at right now. You can see how nice it's gonna be just as soon as I get it polished. I absolutely can't wait. Get the compound on there and do all that. So, but that, my friends, is another video entirely. For right now, that's where we're at. That is clear coat part 3. Second time around, third for the fenders. But there it is.